Alright, so now that I got the coolest part of the RF Miata out of the way, opening up the hood here, today I'm going to be installing MX5things third brake light blinker. He has a couple different options for this, and again, it's another super simple plug-and-play application that you put into the harness. Basically, I did the option where it only enables the hyper blink under heavy braking, so it's not really annoying in traffic sort of thing. So we'll go ahead and get the camera set up. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing installed. Alright, so this is the wiring piece in question. Basically, just simply tap the wire and put this bit in here, and it's a simple plug in, plug out, play. So, if you come over with me, I'm going to go ahead and put it in. So, with the RF, basically, you just had to open up the rear hardtop lid in the back. Alright, so you simply pull out the back end here. You'll take the female end, plug that back into there. As for your male end, you'll be plugging that your stock wiring harness. So they've also included this Velcro bit on the bottom that they're putting in. I'm going to go ahead and find a space for that. Once that's clipped in, they've actually included 2 zip ties. So I'm going to go ahead and zip tie this gray plug to the control arm here. That should keep that out of the way for the most part. And then on the back of the little device they tapped in, they include some Velcro, as well as a sticky piece. I'll go ahead and simply stick to there. Yeah, that looks gosh darn professional, if I do say so myself. So, I'm going to go ahead, put it down the top, make sure it doesn't interfere with anything. And down she goes. It looks like that was all secure. Why don't you come on over here and we'll get a closer look. There that is in there. Doesn't look like it's pinched up at all. And we'll go ahead and put the top back up. Yeah, it doesn't look like that should interfere with anything. Not bad. So, this would be a full installation video if I didn't take it out and test this sucker out. So, let's do it.